Hey, Cake Nisa.
Hey, Cake Nisa.
Oh,
oh, 2 breasts and a wing. That sounds good.
hello.
Order ready. How are you?
Hi. Do you have the grilled chicken?
No, KFC stops having that almost 2 years ago now.
Oh, wow. Okay. The 5-piece combo.
Those are hot wings, just so you know.
Do you have just regular wings then?
No, we don't sell our regular wings like
Oh,
that.
wow. The Taco Bell bowl.
So you want the Powerball? Chicken, avocado ranch, black beans, cheddar cheese.
Oh, that's okay. K3s, 1 white and 1 dark. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's 19.
It's been 4 hours. Been driving. Finally found a KFC only to order everything that they don't have. So I have to get fried chicken, which I'm sad about.
Right now we're in Norfolk, Virginia.
Take my money! Okay, Cake Nisa, here's the kitchen. I just basically surprised her even though she didn't seem surprised because we're super low-key. But I actually rented a house and she thought we were just gonna like stay in a hotel room. Alcohol, because we don't play that. Okay. Oh, are those cars? Oh, they're coasters. Look, I got excited. Get that remote. This is cute. Come on, let's look upstairs. Okay. This is nice. I like this little thing. Spray. Okay, I'm gonna just go. Okay. Looks just like the pictures. Goodness gracious. And this will be my room. I know, me too. I just said that. Oh wow, it's got a shower and everything. Yeah. Mommy. It is day 2. It is officially Mommy's birthday. So we're gonna hit the Virginia beaches. We have a little surprise for her. My sister is on her way down. Goodness gracious. That's how I feel right now. I'm trying to look fit today. I have on 2 pairs of pants. I'm trying to look fit. Did you have your hair together? Okay. Bless you. That's my kind of thing. The graham crackers. Oh my goodness. I love this. We are eating on a really nice cabana and we can rock back and forth. It's so cool. Hey, it's my birthday. Mommy's not much of a vlogger, but that's okay. So you were supposed to take a picture.
Oh.
I want a picture. I don't know. Oh, I thought this was great. We got spinach and crab dip. It looks good. I love chips. It makes no sense. We get to swing while we sit. That is so cool. You can tell. I'm showing it on video. We get to swing while we sit. This is the flounder Oscar with béarnaise sauce and asparagus and lumps of crab meat, vegetables, baked potato. Mom got the same thing. So I could go fishing whenever I wanted to. Just get on the boat and go. Ooh. The sun is out and the heat is real.
Surprisingly delicious. was like right here on the left side of the foot.
Mommy, I looked up and she was crying and she texted me saying choking cough. I was like, choking cough? What's she talking about? Oh, new order.
Oh, wow.
New order for strawberry crunch and banana pudding. The parfaits. No.
What you mean?
Go ahead.
Is that what y'all were texting? And I texted talking about what you doing.
Hi. Oh my goodness, it's playing. There's a lot going on right here. Huh? A stakeout? Time to go. People are nosy. Look at you. Look at him.
Oh my goodness, look at her.
What
Or
happened?
man. Is that a man?
That's a lady in the burgundy.
No, beside.
Oh.
What you get?
It's the most exciting part.
She's talking to her sister, my other daughter, my two lovely babies. Take a moment, get a snack, commercial break. Oh, see, I taught her well. She saw me do that all of her life. Good job, let's go.
Welcome to our humble abode. Hey. Hi. This is from Got Fish Seafood in Hampton, Virginia. Well, do you want? I can take two. I know shrimp is your favorite. It's your birthday. Don't you do it? Wow. Take some fish. I know. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Whoa. That was gorgeous. No, yeah. No. Look, dear mommy. That's what I did. Happy birthday to me. It is you. It is. I'm telling you. That's why I stopped.
Look, I have.
You're like, happy birthday.
I'm gonna tell you why. Okay.
Okay.
I've overindulged for my birthday. Carbs.
That camera
Too
is
many
not
carbs.
doing anything.
That's her combo right here. That's how she goes to the store and everything.
I definitely have to take. Oh, that's cute.
There's some cake for me for your birthday.
That's the best kind of cake.
I don't have a card because you know I don't.
give me money. You spend all
I don't believe in cards. Dear mom, you've been with me since day one.
Before day one.
Literally built me from the ground up. I don't know.
Here, for real, stop playing, because you already spent.
That's your birthday card.
That's my birthday card, for real?
Yeah, that's your
Serious?
birthday card money.
Oh my goodness. You can't do that.
Cake.
Cake, 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 cake. I need two hands. I was trying to do the. Good morning, Cake Nistas. It's the third day and we're about to head on the road.
But we had fun. It was a
Yeah.
great birthday.
What's up?
64th birthday down.
Oh!
65 is next.
So what do you have to do for your birthday? What's left? You got a nice jacket from Lon,
Money and
Little Kids Nash.
walked along the boardwalk for a minute. Not the boardwalk. The
I
beach
know.
walk.
It was hot. It was hot. I was
It
sweating.
was too hot.
That's
And I
so
don't sweat, and I
goodness.
was sweating.
Isn't this a cute couch? Cake Nistas. I like it.
Hey, baby. Hey.
Wait, I'm losing it.
Because they're high steppers. You think of a marching band.
That's why they're athletic.
Hey.
I
Hey.
look crazy.
Hey. You getting it? You got it? What do you look like?
I can feel the fire. It's lighting up my eyebrows. Oh, yeah. Amen.